Okay, so we just got this little handheld oscilloscope from Amazon. It's Yeapook. I guess that's how you pronounce it. It's ADS2050H. Comes in a nice little case. Let's take a look at it. There it is.
How much it costs?
It's $50. So we got a BNC connector, comes with it. It has alligator clips. You can use a regular oscilloscope probe, I believe. And comes with a USB cable. I think this is just for charging it. Now, let's try it out. Okay. Let's hook it up, this little function generator here. Okay. Okay. Let's try that. There's the display on it. It shows 1X for the scope probe. This is the vertical sensitivity, 5 volts. This is the time base, 20 microseconds. Coupling DC. Let's go ahead and set that to AC. And trigger mode auto. Let's see, how do you change that? Okay. Single, normal, auto. Okay. Now, let's try it out. Let's see. Should be about a 5 kilohertz sine wave. It does show the frequency down here, 4.98 kilohertz. Shows the peak-to-peak voltage. And let's see, let's change the time base so we can see the thing. There it is, nice sine wave. Let's sweep the frequency, take it up to 10 kilohertz, still looking good. Okay, let me take up the amplitude a little bit. Okay, 10 volts peak to peak. And now, let's see, what else can we do here? Let's capture a waveform. Okay, so you bring up the menu with the menu button. Go down to Save Wave, hit the OK, hit Save. Okay, and we can view it. All right. There's the waveform. Oh, you can scroll through the waveform. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay. Yeah, well, that's it. I'm satisfied with it. It's $50. It's a nice little handheld oscilloscope.